Today's Project GR86 video, I will be adding a F1 style blinker to the rear third brake light and a trunk handle. For the install, the tools you will need will be a ratchet, a clip removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver to remove the plastic clip, possibly an extension for your ratchet, and a 10mm socket, a drill with an 25/64 inch bit. For the first step, you will need to remove the carpet. For the little push pins, they have a little slot here on one of the sides. It feels like it's right down here, and you just pop it up with the flathead screwdriver. Oh, looks like I missed one. There's one sneaky little guy that hides in here by the handle, the emergency handle. And then it just slops down on you. So you're going to just take here, and on the top side is a little release. You'll just push that little release that was on the top side there, pulling it out. It is the one on the left driver's side. And again, it lines up here with the button here, the finger tab. Turn it around, make sure your finger tab again is towards the top. As you're probably aware, there's really nowhere to grab on the trunk here, so I went with the Perrin trunk handle. You will have a choice of where you want to install the handle. Where the plastic little rivet clippers go in, you can either install it here or over here where the other rivet went in. You will need to drill that out a little bit bigger with the 25/64 drill bit. The trunk handle kit will come with the following: Allen or hex key wrench, the handle, the hardware here, 2 riv nuts, the riv nut tool here. I am right-handed, so I will go with this right side here. We're going to take our drill and ream the hole out a little bit bigger. But if you're left-handed and want it on the left side, you could come over here. We're going to be very careful to not use a lot of pressure, because if you use too much pressure, this will come through and come through the back side. So we're going to go slow and constant. So now we're going to take the riv nut handle with the bigger hole side. We're going to take our hex bolt with washer, slip that through here. We're going to take our riv nut here, put it through here, Barely start it just a little bit. After drilling, you will take your rib nut handle along with your rib nut and bolt, and you will just push it in. It's all the way in now. You're going to hold this and tighten it down, and it will sandwich the rib nut together, pushing it down, expanding the sides. Basically is the way it works. Sounds like it's about tight. Now you will just put back up your carpet. Basically backwards of the steps we did earlier. And then you will have one extra that you do not use. You will take your handle with the name Perrin on top, and I assume it goes like this. You will take your long bolt with the Allen head, put it through with the supplied wrench, snug it down, straighten it out to where you like it. Don't over tighten, it will strip. Then now it adds a much needed handle for closing the trunk. I want to thank you for watching today's video for the F1 style blinker and the trunk handle. Please like and subscribe. Have a great week.